In this video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a page in WordPress. So in order to do this, you first need to head over to sign up or either sign in onto your actual WordPress account. Head over to a new tab and go over and then type in wordpress.com and then sign up if you don't have an account yet or sign in if you already do, just like I did. So into this, you can actually hide a page onto the navigation menu if you don't want people visiting it. So for example, into this part, we have shop, we have blog, and we have my account. So let's head over and change up what it has. You can head over and click on it. And for example, let's remove the my account option. You can go over and then delete this part. You can delete this. Or as you can see, it's only been changed by the add label option. So if you want it permanently removed, you can head over and click onto this part. Now click onto these three dots. Now in here you can see this delete option. Click on delete, and as you can see, it's been deleted. Once it's been deleted in the navigation part, it will be permanently hidden since people won't be able to actually click on it and visit it anymore. Now if you want a different approach on that, what we can do is we can actually head over and then unhide or hide a particular part. Let's head over and open the navigation. Go over to the navigation option right here and click on this part. We have in here this other navigation options. You can click on the options for that and you can remove this, move this up and down, or go to this particular navigation. You can also click onto this three dots right here and click onto this delete option in order to permanently delete it in order to hide it to people for this particular part. So that's how you hide a page in WordPress. I hope this video helped you out.